Hello people, welcome to Perfect Vlogs. So today I'm here with my Versys 1000. So today I'll be doing a detailed review of what all accessories I have installed since day one of the bike. So let's get started. From the front. So here we have the Liu-Hjg touring windshield. So if you're basically heighted, you can take it up for wind purpose or down, and you can adjust it accordingly. So it is not automated, it's a basically manual. And in the front, if you can see, we have got the SW 70s and the SW 60s as well. These are not the normal SGGs, they are the dimmer SGGs. So basically you can control the brightness. I'll just show you. Yeah, so I don't think the camera can capture that, but yeah, these are the brightness controlled SGG. And in the front we have the Maddog bulb as well. Yeah. So these are the Maddog headlight bulb. So on the right side of the bike we have installed the Givi top box and panniers. So with that we have the SW-Mototech crash guard and saddle stays. So we have painted these gold. These don't come gold, these come basic black. I'll just show you the handlebar. There's a lot of accessories on that. So let's come forward. So on the handlebar we have got the LED display with back and front camera. I'll show you on the back. So it's mounted right here. I don't know you can see it or no, it's quite small. So on the front I have installed where the air vent is. So yeah, and these are the speakers. So you can cruise on a long tour. If you're going on a long tour, it's just pleasing to hear music and ride. And here we have got the buttons for the lights, and then we have the Liu-Hjg adjustable levers actually, and we have the SW-Mototech handle guards with LED. Yeah, so these are all the accessories, and here we have installed the main one, which is very helpful. That is the double stand of the bike. So I'll just show you. I'll just mount it here. If you can see it, that's the double stand of the bike. Then we have got a side stand extender. So this is a detailed review of all the accessories what I have installed since day one on this bike. This is the Versys 1000 Kawasaki. I know it's very rare to find these motorcycles, this particular model. This is a 2015 model. Yeah. So these are all the accessories what I have installed. And yeah. So if you need any of these accessories, we have a shop, Perfect Moto. I'll keep a link in the description. Before leaving, I'll just give an exhaust note to you people. Thanks for watching.